Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lynn Podetti here, the founder of Outsourcing Angel. And on today's video, the topic is how to stand out from your competitors. Well guys, today I'm actually not at my house, I'm at my friend's house. Well, it's my friend's parents' house, and we had a really fun sleepover. So last night we came over for dinner and we worked on our new project together. We thought we were gonna have a sleepover because we just really want to focus on our new project. And so I want to take you behind the scene of my life as a mompreneur, hang out with her friends as well, and share with you some tips on how to stand out from your competitors. Okay, let's go inside. This is her mom's humongous house. All right, so tip one, I just found myself a little spot here, sitting here while my friend is cooking me a breakfast. So I'm going to share with you tip one on how to be competitive. Well, first of all, you got to start a business the right way in the first place. A lot of people just don't even think about their passion, what's missing in the marketplace, and trying to solve the problem in the marketplace. They just thought, you know what, I enjoy doing this, I'm just going to start a business. And so that's why you end up being a Me Too business. You're not very different. And, but it's not too late. If you started something, you really need to still, peel back and look at your passion, look at your strength, look at your experience in the industry so that you could find a niche. So I have another video that you can watch on how to narrow it down so that you really can stand out from your competitors, because it's the combination of your passion, your strength, your industry experience, and what's missing in the marketplace, and solving that is going to make you come up with a solution that is very different and unique to the marketplace. Okay, the next tip is have a look at your business, the service, the offering, or your process, anything that you're doing. What if you could add something onto it to make it different to someone else? What is it that you can combine into your service that makes your offering different? Or another way is to take away something. So what if you take away something and simplified it for the customer? Because sometimes you think that by being everything to everyone means it's great, but not really. Sometimes customers will feel like, oh, she's just so generic. But what if you stripped away and really focus on your core offering and core strength that you do really well, that then you become a specialist in that field? So sometimes taking away things will actually make your life easier, simplifies it all, and then makes you stand out from the competitor and, be unique in your own way. Okay, my friend Di's awake. I'm going to ask her.
I know, we have makeup on, but that's fine.
But you look beautiful. I wanted to know on this video, how do you stand out from your competitor? What would you do to stand out?
I think to stand out from your competitors is to really know your story. I think you've got to have to shape your story and your narrative, and ensuring that it's a very authentic, very powerful narrative. And I think everybody's got different stories, but how you shape that story is very important to stand out.
So guys, what Di was really referring to was, my first point was around the passion and understanding yourself, because unless you are trying to build a business around who you are, you're not going to be able to have a great story and be really passionate about it. But another book that I recommend you read so that you could be competitive is Your One Word by Carmichael. So when you read through this, you're going to figure out what your one key value is. And that value is, for example, for me, it's love. When I found that word love, I started to really change the culture, the marketing, the email marketing, the signature, to really surround around love. So when people start to think of Outsourcing Angel, they thought of love. So if someone else might have the same business, but then their key value is adventure, so maybe then they'll change the way they message things, the way they structure their business around adventure. So then you two would already be different to one another. And now we're about to do some work together. Food's on the side, paper, pen. And the next tip I have for you is never compete with price. So don't try to be the cheapest person. Don't try to beat your competitor by offering discounts and trying to be the cheapest, because you can never win that race. What you really need to do is add more value, because you want to be the premium and unique in certain aspects in your industry and be able to charge for that, because you can never just reduce. And people who are looking for the cheapest price aren't loyal people as well. So my biggest tip is don't try to beat competitors with pricing. Try to beat in the way you bundle your service, the value you give that they can't get anywhere else, so that they value your service and come back and pay you a good price for it. Another way to be competitive is really understanding your client avatar. So who is your ideal client? What age are they? Where do they live? What do they enjoy doing? What's their pain point? Because if you really understand, then you can really solve the problem. And if you can solve the problem better than other people, then you will have that competitive advantage. But let me just share with you behind the scene, as me and my friends are actually working on understanding our client avatar for our new business idea. And by nutting it all out, and if we can understand it better than anyone else, we're going to be better at serving our clients. And this is an example. We're just going through, for example, what stage in life are they at? How do they find us?
Aware.
What is the offering going to make them feel? What's their pain point? So that is the kind of...
That's fine. Great.
Okay. The more you know about your customer, the more competitive you can be. So there you go. I hope I've given you enough tips on how to differentiate yourself from your competitors. But if you have any questions or unsure about anything, I'd love to hear your comments below. But I had a really great time yesterday with my friends, and today I'm at my in-laws' house, taking them to on a Father's Day lunch. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and we'll see you again next time. Now, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so they get notification when my video is up. And if you want to also check out more content on outsourcing, work with VAs, check out Outsourcing Angel channel on my other YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. See you next time.